Okay guys, this is 9.2 angle support. Here is your finished product, what your model should like when we're completed. I'm going to go to the first sketch. Start out with a sketch similar to this or exactly like this. This angle is going to be 120 degrees. So you'll create this sketch, and I'm going to run through this kind of fast because you guys can always rewind this and look at it. Finish sketch. Your extrusion is going to be 80 millimeters, so extrude that 80 millimeters, check it off. Go to your next sketch here, edit sketch, and notice this part you extruded is 80 millimeters. You're going to start out with two circles. So actually you're going to use circle, and you're going to come over 5 millimeters and create a circle here and another circle here, and also you'll use trim command to trim off part of the circle you don't need, but you're going to also create this rectangle here, 5 millimeters by 50, and it's going to be tangent with the top of this first extrusion. So everybody kind of take a look at this. So all you're dealing with is two circles and two rectangles, and make sure you have the correct dimensions here. So once you finish that, you're going to extrude those. I'll give you a closer look at it. You can see the two parts here that you're going to extrude. You're going to extrude them 20 millimeters. Hit OK. Next sketch. You got two 25 millimeter circles using the same center line. So just go to circle, put two circles here, finish sketch, and just extrude those back 20 millimeters. Cut those out. Next sketch. Find the center right here. Use circle. Find the center and put an 80 millimeter circle right on that center. And extrude it down 20 millimeters here. Make sure you don't join there, 20 millimeters. Next sketch. Draw a 65 millimeter circle. Use the same center line as this circle. Finish sketch. Extrude it up 25 millimeters. Next sketch. You're going to use the same center line. Create a 35 millimeter circle. And you're going to use cut. You're going to use extrude, cut, and cut that all the way through to create that hole. And the last we have is the gusset. And you're going to create a work plane. I'm going to open up the origin. Here's your work plane. You're going to click here. You're going to go over and find the correct work plane here that you want, and because it's lined up on that edge, what I'm going to do, with the work plane, you're going to grab it here and move it over 40 millimeters to get that plane right in the center where we can sketch. Okay, so again, use plane. Find yours may be different. It depends on the plane you started with, but make sure that it's this one here, and offset it 40 millimeters. Okay. Once you have that, you're going to create a sketch on that plane And what you'll do, to get a better look, you can come out here, right click, and slice graphics. And what it will do, will cut that part in half for you where you can see what's going on here. And you'll draw this triangle. What you'll have to do is use project geometry, and project geometry of all these lines here and here and there. And once you have that, use your line command, draw this polygon here like that. You can't go to here and here because this is a round surface and it'll leave a gap. So you just come in a bit into that, right through that corner and down. Doesn't matter as long as you don't go past the hole here, and recreate this on the sketch plane. Once you have that, you're going to join, you're going to go to extrude join, and you're going to choose, if you have it right in the middle, you would choose this one, type in 16 millimeters and hit OK. And the last thing to do is your fillet. You're going to put a 10 millimeter fillet on this side and on that side. And again, if some of these steps you don't understand straight away, go back and just keep repeating them. And there you have exercise 9.2, angle support.